Halyna Viktorivna Danylchenko is a Ukrainian accountant and politician who was installed by Russia as the acting mayor of Melitopol after the kidnapping of Ivan Fedorov by the Russian military. She was elected to the Melitopol City Council in 2015 and became its secretary soon thereafter. Danylchenko was born 5 July 1964 in Orlovo, a village in the Melitopol region. She studied at the Melitopol Institute of Agricultural Mechanization. She graduated from the Russian State Agrarian University, Moscow Timiryazev Agricultural Academy. She worked in a kindergarten for a few weeks and worked in a laboratory at a hydraulic tractor plant. After completing a specialization in economics and auditing, she worked as an accountant at a motor plant. In 2000, she began working as an accountant for Melitopol Plain Bearing Plant, LLC until 2015. She is now the director of the factory. The company is owned by Yevhen Belitsky. Belitsky suggested that Danylchenko enter politics. Until 2015, she was a member of the Party of Regions. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.